Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to update the preferences for your Google Doc. So if you go to Tools and you scroll down to Preferences, you'll be able to take much greater control over how this Google Doc will respond when you work in it. For example, under the General tab, you can tell it to automatically capitalize words. That doesn't mean it will capitalize every word, but it will check where a word is being used and whether or not it would be typical to capitalize it in that particular circumstances. Use smart quotes, automatically detect links, automatically detect lists, markdown, spelling, so on and so forth. Or if you click on substitutions, this gives you a way to basically define shortcuts for typing certain things or getting certain characters to show up. For example, if you need the copyright symbol, typically that would be parentheses C and then end parentheses, and that would automatically update. You may recognize this in your own work with Google Docs, and maybe you want to turn that off. You can simply unclick it and then it won't do that anymore. And there's a bunch of other things on here where you can basically say, if I type this, you need to display it this way on the other side, basically in the document. All right, so there's a bunch of different ways you can control and make little shortcuts in typing into Google Docs to save you a little bit of time. And it is in the Preferences menu.